Here's how to add a product or service in Wave step by step. Begin by logging into your Wave account. Once you are signed in, look to the menu on the left side of the screen. This is where you will move into the area that stores the items you sell or buy. Click Sales and Payments, then select Products and Services. That opens the page where your existing products and services are listed. Along with the option to create a new one, on the Products and Services page, click Add a product or service. This opens the form where you enter the details for the item you want to create. If you already have products or services in Wave, this new entry will be added to that list after it is saved. Start with the name field. Enter the name you want to use for the product or service. Use the wording you want to appear when this item is selected later in Wave. After that, move to the description field and enter a short description. This can help identify the item more clearly when you review it later or use it in a transaction. Next, enter the price. Type the amount you want Wave to use for this product or service. Make sure the price matches how you want the item recorded, since this value will be attached to it when you select it later. Below those fields, choose whether the item should be marked as Sell This, Buy This, or both. Select Sell This if the item is something you provide to customers. Select Buy This if it is something you purchase. If both apply, select both options. Make sure these choices match how the item is actually used in your account, since that affects where it can be applied. If sales tax applies, select the appropriate sales tax option. This is the point where you connect the item to the tax setting that fits it. If the product or service should not include sales tax, leave that selection as needed based on what is available in your account. Take a moment here to confirm that the tax choice matches the item you are creating. Before saving, review the product or service details on the form. Check the name, description, price, and the Sell This or Buy This selections. Also confirm the sales tax setting if one is applied. This final review helps catch any detail that might need adjusting before the item is added. When everything looks correct, click Save. Wave will store the new product or service and return it to your list so it can be used later in your sales or purchase records. Your new product or service is now saved in Wave and ready to use.